Baby right. Baby right. Dog.
In this video, we'll go from this to this using this. Okay, so get all the technicalities out of the way. So this is not a paid endorsement in any way. This is something I purchased because I need it. So first of all, I ordered this through Amazon. There'll be links down there in the description to that. I am very, very, very impressed with GenTent. They contacted me right after I ordered it, and this is through Amazon. Bless you. And they asked what brand and model generator this is actually going on, so they could make sure that they sent me the right one, which I thought that was pretty cool. Then they sent me some additional instructions. Anyway, two or three emails went back and forth with them about this, and that was in a good way. They're trying to be as helpful as possible. The reason why I need this tent is I actually ended up using this generator a lot for power outages here at our house. When I use it, I connect it to my freezer, my refrigerator, and usually like the Wi-Fi modem and all that stuff, and then a single television and sound system. With those, I run them through a surge suppressor just to make sure that the power is as clean as it can be, because you know this is a generator, and a cheap one at that. So if you want to see a review on the generator itself, I have that, the unboxing review, and also I added the wheels to it. And yeah, I never did paint them. I was going to paint them black, but I never did do that. So anyway, let's get started. That's not what you came here for. You came here to see if the tent's worthy. So let's unbox it, see what we got.
It's so shiny.
Yeah.
Look that way.
Nice rocks, huh?
It's so crazy. I kicked it. I can't put it.
Got some, I guess, fiberglass poles.
Oh, I was digging.
There's the actual tent. Very well made. I believe this is made in the US as well, which is really nice. The material, very thick, well sewn together. And I assume that's the mounting hardware. There's a little owner's manual, product safety manual. Okay, so there's the roughage, there's how it roughly attaches. Got these brackets that attach to the outside of it. Bow those 4 fiberglass poles over it. And I'm guessing we just put the tent on over it. So hardware. There's the hardware. Frame adapters. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is attach these to the frame. They go down low, so we can cover it. And they come with these clips. Come with these clips right here, so you can adjust how far out it goes. I'm going to go ahead and put mine right here, and then adjust it if necessary. So we'll put it right there, and then clamp this on. using the supplied wing nut and bolt.
Stuffy dirt.
And again, put the clip on here. Put the clip on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right there. Over here to the other side now. Okay, next we'll put this piece on and the rods. It says this goes up like so. And just slide the rods in here and make sure you go all the way in with it. One very important note is your refueling door. Wherever it might be. There it is. The refueling door. Make sure it's not on the same side as your muffler. So as mine sits right now, the muffler's to the back of it. So I'm going to put it on like this. Just like that. And then these straps right here go down here to help hold it on. And then when you need to refuel it, pull it up. Now you can refuel in here. Again, make sure you're away from your muffler. And as luck would have it, of course, refueling side is the same side as the electric. So now we have this apron right here. We have this apron right here that Velcro's on right here to help protect the main thing you're wanting to protect, right? The electrics. You just Velcro that on, just like so. So there we go. Goes on real easy. There are some adjustments to make it tighter or looser as needed with those points down there. Access to start it. If you need to start it, fuel on, choke on button on, and let's see if I can pull it. Get back, Ruby. Kill it. There we go. And always, of course, remember to keep this 20 feet away from your house, RV, shed, workshop, whatever, so the fumes don't get into you. I also highly recommend getting a carbon monoxide detector and putting it close to wherever you're going to be using this at. If it's by your house, like I use it for backup sometimes, I put one about where the wire runs into the house, so I know if if I'm poisoning myself. And same thing with the shop, put one in the shop so it'll alert me if things are going horribly wrong. I guess I'll do removing it real quick, right? Undo the straps and we'll just lift it off. Yeah. And then you just lift these off, or you can just leave it on if you'd like. For me, I'm going to leave it just as is, because usually when I need it, it's raining out. There you go. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, if you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.